Today's episode is going to be a great one for you guys. As always, my name's Dave. We're headed out to Danny's house because we can start work again. Yes, we took a little bit of a hiatus on that project. You may have noticed it's been a couple of weeks, but we had an issue with asbestos. Danny had a professional come out, do testing of materials all over the house, and we found that the mastic that was used to hold tile down to the floor actually contained asbestos. When we pulled the carpet up in the last episode, you could see black glue that was on the concrete floor. That's the mastic that had asbestos in it. So we had a professional remediation team come out. They cleaned the whole house, all 1,400 square feet of that mastic, and so now we can actually start our flooring project. We picked up our flooring from Home Depot. Danny's back at the house right now, and he is doing just a little cleaning, so we're gonna meet up with him right now. If you guys enjoy this video, give us that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification, because it's gonna let you know when we come out with new content on this project and our other projects. But just like that, let's get going.
What's up? YouTube? What's going on? It's flooring time.
Ooh, floors.
Flooring time.
And then we'll put some mat down and then test out a couple of options. Laying down some new floors.
Yeah.
All the asbestos flooring has been removed.
Adios, asbestos.
No more asbestos floors.
Woo!
We got the camera going. Ooh, another video coming soon. New flooring right there, some LVT, some underlayment. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned,
It's
guys.
gonna be lit. Lit, fam.
Lit.
Lit.
LT. More like LVT. Half an inch, which should be able to, maybe a full inch would be better.
No. The problem is right there, and the metal that's hanging out there.
What the fuck is that? It's metal. Right? What is that?
Door sill.
Is it?
Yeah.
So like a door used to be there?
There used to be a door there.
Oh, just did a little bit.
That's a metal door transition. No.
I'm like, cause that's
The closet, I guarantee you.
This was the old master, I think.
No, this is what this is. That's a carpet tack strip on the front end and a door transition. So you had a this could be why there's this here, plaster job. There
Well, that's
was
why this is.
access into that closet, so there would have been a coat closet here.
Yeah.
That's what this was. All right, YouTubers. So we've got ourselves a building history lesson that we've uncovered here. So down here, as you may be able to see, we have a metal strip, which actually is a tack strip for carpet. But on the back end of it, which you may not be able to see, down here, that's the tack strip for the carpet. Back there's the threshold transition. And on the floor here, you can vaguely make out where there was, so you can sort of make out where there was a framing sitting on the floor there. So cool little building history lesson, and finding all kinds of secrets in this place.
All kinds of secrets.
Okay, so now what we'll do is
This one's pretty close.
you gotta tap that a little harder.
A little harder? Yeah, I broke it last time. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's a matter of I know if it's a matter of tapping it, but you actually gotta hammer it.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta cut a couple more pieces.
Yeah, this one needs a small one, but this one.
Well, you gotta get the small one in. Well, here's the deal. I gotta cut these ones so that we have something to go. Well, we're gonna make that transition now too.
Yeah.
So. When they pick it up Monday?
Yes, yeah. Well, actually, they don't pick up brush except for the first weekend.
What up, Danny?
What's up, guys?
So it is a little past 1 in the morning. We have finished up for the day. Proof that
there we go. Boom.
So we're
abatement guys
past.
are coming tomorrow.
Abatement guys are coming tomorrow.
Yeah. Had to clear out for them. So.
And it's a little past 1 in the morning. We are finishing up here. Phew. Floors are all taped. We are getting rid of this popcorn ceiling and
Kitchen demo.
kitchen demo. Kitchen demo.
Yep. Whole damn thing.
As you guys can see, the floors have been completed in bedroom 1.
Slick vinyl vinyl floor, right?
LVT.
Yeah.
Luxury.
Luxury vinyl flooring. Plank. That's what we're looking for. That's the word we're looking for.
Okay, we'll go with
vinyl plank.
We'll go plank.
Yeah. Very cool stuff.
And living room, all done in here. Hallway all done. Bathrooms.
Always a work in progress.
Yeah. And then we gotta get these done here. Bedroom 2,
Work in
bedroom
progress.
3, and bedroom 4 just beyond there. And so all of that kitchen is getting demoed. So what I gotta do now is take some measurements of the cabinets that we got here, you know, skinny chef, fat chef, skinny chef, fat chef. So we're gonna take some measurements of all of this. We're gonna do a little measuring of over here as well, because what we wanna do is make sure we get cabinets that we can replace. I don't think we're gonna do anything too crazy. We're gonna try and keep all of this very similar to what it actually was and is currently. We just gotta get rid of it because it's falling apart. We've got a lot of damage going on. As you can see down in here, this is terrible. There was a water leak that was let sit. So we've got issue here, and then we've got issue here. So this whole thing is kind of just falling apart. The cabinets are kind of let to rot. As you can see there as well. Quick fix, jerry-rigged. And that's where we're gonna end today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know I had a blast and I learned a lot as well. That was the first time that either Danny or myself had installed a floating floor system. And so what you saw was us put down the cushioning layer. It's kind of a sound dampening and cushion layer, and then put the floating floor system on top of that, which in this case was an LVT tile. That process was interesting. It took us a little while. It was a bit of a learning curve, but essentially all it does is snap together, and you really want to make sure that your first couple courses are exactly straight, so then later down the road, you don't end up at the other corner of the room with a crooked floor system. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. If you guys had heard us talk about the next demo crew showing up, that was because Danny had some extra testing done in the house to make sure there was no more asbestos. That kind of gave us a little scare when we found out that the mastic was asbestos. When that testing came back, we found out that things that didn't test positive prior had tested positive, especially that popcorn ceiling and some of the drywall compound in the kitchen. And so because the kitchen was in such bad shape, and because that popcorn ceiling, not only is it ugly, but it's gonna end up being as a health hazard, he decided that it needed to be removed. So we're having that same asbestos remediation crew show up Monday morning to eliminate all of that stuff, do the demo work and the remediation, so we have a nice blank canvas to continue with. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Lets us know that you guys like what we're doing and that we're doing the right thing. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because it's going to let you know when we come out with new content like this for this project and our other projects. And like always, keep building.